What's going on, y'all? G-Money here for Restoring a Princess, and it is time for us to go upstairs and take a look at the brand new departure. So let's go meet our good friend Mirto. You might remember him from before, and he's gonna give us a tour of upstairs departure. Come on. And there he is, our good friend Mirto.
Hey, what's going on, G?
What's happening? Good to see you.
Welcome back, welcome back.
I know, well, we said we're gonna come back for our final part 3 of upstairs departure, and
I guess we can go ahead and see what we really have in store for you guys right now.
Okay, well, I'm excited because everybody, I hear all the talk and chatter like, yeah, it looks good. I see some videos, but I didn't get a chance to go up there myself. So this is my first time after everything's done.
Well, I'm excited for you to come and take a look.
Okay, let's talk about these colorful things here.
Correct. These are the security checkpoints.
Okay.
They're also with your boarding pass readers.
Okay.
So passengers who have their boarding pass will come here. They can put their digital unit of their phone or the paperless boarding pass, scan it, the gate opens, and then you're right through.
Okay. So if I have my phone, my boarding pass, it'll work?
Correct.
Walk right through. Okay.
And if you need to have a person who has a big family, a wheelchair, whatever, you can also use the door. And there's an agent here who can also help you.
Okay.
Family members only.
So basically, contact free?
Contact free. Contact free. And all of them work. There's 6 of them.
Okay. All right. So once we clear that huddle,
you have the elevator. Sorry, you have the elevator, escalator, or the stairs to go up.
Now this is kind of like the same from before.
Same thing.
But
everything is new, except the stairs, of course.
Okay.
Brand new elevator, brand new escalator, and it should be operational still. Yep.
Okay.
Second floor, security.
All this looks familiar from before. It's very bright too.
A lot of lights. A lot of lights.
Wow. All right, so we're gonna make our way to security now?
Correct. This is the queuing line, and from here we go into our security screening area. We have 4 X-ray machines.
Okay.
One is a smaller machine with the I-lane, which has a return tray.
Okay.
And these are the specialized X-ray machines. These are the CTX.
These are the ones we was talking about.
Correct. These do the 3D imaging.
Okay.
And everything from here, they also have a return tray.
All right, now we're here at passport control. All right, just before we get to our gate, so now what happens?
Correct. So we have 6 e-gates that we have in service right now. These are used for all of the passports that has a chip in their passport.
Oh.
Okay, so if you have a chip in your passport, you can come to this lane, put your passport through. It takes a picture of you, and then it lets you through.
So you don't have to see a physical person?
You don't need to see a physical person.
Wow.
But if you also are coming with a wheelchair, if you have kids with you, if you don't have the chip in your passport, there's also some manual boots that you can use.
So I don't have the chip in my passport. I'll be going this way.
So you'll be coming this direction. And the process here is very similar. You use your passport also that the person physically checks. They take a picture of you, and then you're through. As you can see, we're still doing some programming in the back there.
Now, I know a lot of places like JFK, JetBlue, for instance, you don't have to show your passport anymore. You just look into the camera, facial recognition, it knows exactly who you are, and you go right to the agent, and the agent goes, go ahead. Are we doing that here yet?
Not as yet.
Not as yet.
It's
a possibility.
It's a possibility because everything has a camera.
Right.
We also want to put the camera down at the security gates just as we went through by the boarding pass readers. We want to be able to even enroll you by the counter. So at that point, once we have you in our database, we're touchless as we allow you to go through all of these areas without having to have any physical boarding pass, any passport, because it knows who you are, that you are authorized to fly that day. You can go straight to the gates, and you can also board without being able to show anything.
Wow.
Because everything is already verified and it's in a database already.
Right. Wow.
So a token walks with you throughout the airport.
Woohoo! Wow.
It's a change from what we had before. A lot of open space, especially we've been in this confined space for the last 5 years. Now we're back into a very comfortable departure hall.
You know what I love? I love this right here. This giant screen, because this is gonna have all the flights on it, right?
It's gonna have all the flights, and we can also put advertisements there. For right now, it's gonna have all the flights that's going on right now.
Wow. Okay, let's go. We wanna go left, we wanna go right?
Let's go left first. All right. Let's go left first. Left, if you can remember the airport,
Yes, I do.
is the sea gates. The sea gates for the commuter gates.
Correct. Shout out to Win Air.
Here's where the Win Airs, disembarks commuters. Any of the smaller carriers from like Anguilla Air, they board from this direction.
Nice. It's like we were here with all the dust and the dirt and the
you
grime
can
and
see
the
right now we've
construction.
also put in some chairs, with all of them with USB ports, so you can charge your phone.
Okay. So all the chairs you guys have like this?
Correct.
So no more like looking to go a charge port, a charge port, a charge port. You gotta look for a charge port. Every
But
chair.
we're also going to do some changing out of some of these units to put some power sockets as well.
Okay.
So you can also charge your laptop.
Hello, does someone have a problem with their laptop?
Oh man, this is nice. The pet relief?
Pet relief area.
Can we take a look?
You want to see what the restrooms look like.
Yeah. Absolutely.
As you can see, the contractor is still doing some touch-ups. So pet relief, female, men. It's not outfitted as quite as well.
But yeah, it's good. Nice.
Always need to discuss the restrooms, right?
Yes, you do.
Upgraded restrooms as well.
I think this is the coolest feature. I don't think I've ever seen this as a faucet.
Yeah.
This is soap, water,
Are you sure?
and to dry your hands. Yes! This is the soap.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the water. See? And then to dry your hands. So I'm pretty sure all the maintenance people or the janitors or whatever, they love this because no more wet floors.
Oh yeah.
No more
We
wet
had a
floors.
lot of problems with that. What we've been able to do also in this rebuild is to put a lot of energy saving.
Okay.
So we have sensors for all the restrooms, all the offices.
So if they're not being used, the lights go
The
off.
lights go off.
Keep that GB bill down, huh?
So we're heading down to the west side of the terminal.
West side. So
The
let me
east
ask you.
side, west side.
Let me ask you a question. Is this going to be one concession or 3 different ones?
This is actually 2 concessions.
2 concessions. Okay.
There's one here, and then there's a second one over here.
Second one here.
There's one concession here.
Okay,
There,
one here.
you can see the outfitting as they go.
Right. Now, are we going to get the bar that was in the middle? There was a bar up here.
Correct. It's going to be right behind. This is a mega yacht. It's going to be a food court area. We're going to have 2 restaurants.
So this is where the bar is going to be.
Going to be
Okay.
another restroom.
Another. Okay.
Well, time to visit the restroom.
And then we're down to A2 gates. As you can see, this elevator is already finalized.
Nice. Beautiful.
All of the elevators that are glass are going to look like this one.
Okay.
Here is the business class lounge. It's still under construction. We expect that to be completed sometime in January.
Okay. That's going to be a whole new episode on its own.
Yeah.
The business lounge.
And it's 2 floors, as you remember.
Yes.
It's this floor and the upper level.
Upper deck level. Okay.
All the way out to the deck.
All right. Aha. More concessions.
Correct.
All
This
one
is-
store or?
This is one store.
Okay.
This is a makeshift museum, I understood.
Ah, I heard about
haven't
this.
quite seen what they're going to be producing,
Uh-huh.
but I love the color palettes and so forth that was chosen for this location.
Okay. Well, this looks really, really good. I mean, it's the white, it's bright, the floors, like you said, to see how they started the floor from scratch and now how it turned
You
out.
were up here when they were doing that?
Yeah.
Okay.
With the grinding and the dust and the noise, and now look at it. It looks
marvelous. Absolutely marvelous.
well, Mirto, this has been really good, man. I gotta say, you guys have done a wonderful job. Still little touches here and there to things to complete, but still, all in all, this is nice. It's nice and bright. It's cool. It's beautiful. It's a great feel for St. Martin. It is.
Thank you. Thank you.
It is.
It's a lot of work, a lot of long hours, and the glitches kind of overshadow how beautiful it is. But I think people are going to overcome those glitches and understand that work up here was really worth it. And I think they're going to be #1 airport again.
Yeah, it takes time. Hey guys, it's Restoring a Princess. Mirto, thank you very much. Tune in to our next episode. Make sure you subscribe. Right down below, you see it to subscribe, Restoring a Princess, and make sure you follow and watch each and every episode, past and future episodes to come. This is G Money. Until next time.